inspiring group. Our next icons are known for their extraordinary bravery, the precision of their teamwork, and their life-saving efforts in one of the most challenging and dangerous environments imaginable. With the first batch of women rescue trained personnel, Singareni Collieries Company Limited (SCCL) has achieved a historic milestone in its 136-year journey by successfully training its first ever batch of 13 women employees in initial mines rescue operations. This pioneering initiative marks a transformative step towards women empowerment and inclusivity in core operational roles within the organization. The intensive training was conducted at the mines rescue station in mines deep beneath the surface, where risk is constant and precision can mean the difference between life and death. They've carved out space in a role few women globally occupy. Please welcome India's Women Mine Rescuers Smart 191, that is Singareni Mahila Active Rescue Team 191. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for the team.
As Shruti was pointing out, in 136 years, there has never been anyone that has done what they are doing. They have created history in the world. In the mining industry, there are no women or very few women. So they have created global history. So thank you very, very much for joining us here this evening. And I want to understand from each one of you what it has been like for you to do what you are doing today.
We are the first female to work in Singareni Collieries Company Limited, and we are the first female team of rescue in SSCL. I am proud to represent this team, and here in mines, in underground, we are the female, and it's actually a dangerous situation. And in this rescue training, we were underground through what are the dangerous situations which we need to tackle. Like in underground, there are a lot of employees like workers who are completely trusted on us. If any dangerous situation happen, we need to save them. So we need to undergo all this training. Like we can't even breathe in some situations in the mines. The environment will not be like which we are now here. So we need to take care of them along with us. We need to save their lives. So we need to be confident. Like every man, they are okay, they feel like men can save my life. They can lift my body. They can take me to the surface. But where they see a female, they feel like she is weak, she can't save me in such a way. But in this training, we have saved, like, we taken training by a body which weighs like a human, and also we treated a human, like for half an hour. We need to treat him and we need to carry him to the place from the dangerous situation to a proper situation. And also in this training, they have created some environment like which is in the mines, which we can't breathe. We need to carry some apparatus which are 16 kgs, and we need to carry a human which is 80 to 75 kgs, and we need to work, and also sandbags which are 14 each. We need to carry 2 sandbags. Everything, it was like mining is a space where once they feel like it is tough for women. For female, it is very tough to work, but now we break it. So we are doing it.
Yes, you are doing it, and you're doing it for the very first time, and we wish you the very best of luck. Congratulations, and thank you very, very much for joining us here on the Future Female Forward Journey. Appreciate it. Thank you very, very much. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for our history makers this evening.